Where are we?
Elk Life.
We're at Elk Life. How's the ice cream?
It was good and cold.
Huh?
It sticks to your nose in the end.
There's a cornhole. Cool spot, good food. Wife's first ride. You having fun, babe?
Yeah.
Cool. First real ride. The LS2 Advent. The helmet's awesome so far. What do you not like about your bike so far?
My ass hurts.
Her ass hurts.
What's that?
Ask me what I don't like about my bike. I said my ass hurts.
Yeah, we're getting there. She's loving it. There's a mini bike over there. Where'd he go? Hey, what'd your dad calling you into doing?
Riding too far.
Riding all the way to Clearfield.
Yeah.
What is that, about 40 something miles.
We did 71 miles.
71 miles for your first ride.
Yeah.
That's pretty awesome.
And we're
Sweet.
not home yet.
Nope, we're not home yet.
And she's doing really well.
We're taking the main way home. You're gonna be having cars flying by up the hill.
Oh no, wow.
It's alright, I'll be behind you.
And I'll be ahead of her. And we'll be going 40.
Yeah, you take your time, go however fast you want. Oh well. How many miles did you do today?
A lot.
91 miles.
Too many, my bum hurts.
91 miles.
My nose is running.
91 miles. Did you have fun?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah. Were you cold?
yeah, it was freezing.
Yeah.
I just gotta figure out, how to stop dropping it.
Yeah, I only dropped
In
it.
driveways.
I only dropped it twice so far.
Yeah.
164 miles. 114.9. Well, that's with. Oh, I should have reset the trip for that. 82.9 miles a gallon. That's awesome.
Cheaper than the car.
Way better than my bike. I'm almost empty, and she still has half a tank. That's not fair.
I have more dents on my bike now.
Yep. Her first ride, we went and got bobas and ice cream. And we went to see the grandkids, but they weren't home. So we looped back around on the crazy road. We were getting passed like snails,
Well, I am a snail right now.
but that's okay. She had fun. I held the traffic off for her, and it was a good time. Rebel did fantabulous. She loves it.
I love it.
Sweet. That was fun.
Not yet. I have a sick.
Get your scuff marks.
Yeah, I get my scuff marks that I have a tendency of putting down in driveways.
Yeah, she laid it down again, but that's okay. That's what we bought that for.
Yeah, thank God.
She's okay. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Good.
I'm fine. If that's the only way I put it down, I'm happy with that.
Yeah. Cool bikes. I don't know. I was trying to get a shot, but I don't think it was working out. I think my hand was in the way. Yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe and comment. See you next time.